Hey Mustangs, my name is Ryan, and today I'm here to present you a recipe for your Thanksgiving.
Now, let me tell you something. I am a good chef, an average home cook, a person who at least knows how to cook. Well, either way, this recipe is easy and simple for anyone to make. But if you feel like you can't make it, well, don't worry. If I can make it, you can too. So, let's begin this.
But we can't just do it in here. Instead, let's do this somewhere that I feel comfortable about. My kitchen.
Want to know what makes this so simple? It's the amount of ingredients that is needed, and it's not even that much. But you don't only have to make this during Thanksgiving, you can do it at any time.
But the looks of my kitchen, it looks pretty messy, and we don't want that. So what we're gonna do is clean it. But by the way, would you like a Sprite? Sprite is pretty good in my opinion, but let's crack this open. That's a pretty good Sprite. The kitchen's already been cleaned. Cool.
So what we're gonna make for this is some chicken, roasted carrots, and mashed potatoes. So start grabbing your ingredients like chicken, carrots, and potatoes. Now with all of your ingredients, let's start prepping. Let's start off with the carrots. First, you have to wash them. Then start peeling the skin off the carrots until every carrot is shaved, unless you prefer to have them on. Then grab a sharp knife and slice the carrots carefully into whatever shape you want and place it in a bowl, and now you got a good pile of sliced carrot. Now start prepping your chicken by grabbing the piece of chicken you want, then washing your hands because if you don't, I will be mad. Then grab some oil, seasonings you like, and pour them into your bowl of raw chicken. Then mix it around to spread the seasoning, and you are done. Don't forget to wash your hands. Now repeat the same thing with the carrots. Oil, seasoning, mix, and that is all for the prepping stage. Now wrap them in plastic wrap and put them in the fridge for them to marinate in the seasoning.
And now we just wait for a couple of hours until that's done marinating. Or when you're impatient. It's been a few hours, and you could probably tell by that. But I think we're pretty much ready to cook everything right now.
Once your chicken and carrots got to marinate, pull them out of the fridge and grab your other ingredients.
Let's start off with the vegetables. Because vegetables take a long time to cook.
Now, I forgot to record myself cooking the carrots, but basically you put your chopped carrots onto a baking sheet with foil and heat the oven to 425 degrees and cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. I would recommend flipping it halfway through, but I was too lazy to flip it. For the chicken, grab a pan and heat it to medium. Grab yourself a pair of tongs, and once your pan is hot, use the tongs to lay your marinated chicken down. And cook it until the inside of the chicken reaches 165 degrees. Once done, pull them out, and that's your simple but delicious chicken. For the mashed potatoes, fill up a pot with warm water and let it begin to boil. This process takes a little while, so once your water is boiling, place down your potatoes correctly, do not what I did right there, and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until it becomes fork tender and soft. Then, once they're done, safely grab the pot and strain your potatoes from the water.
Now that we got our potatoes, now we'll dump them back in and start mashing it.
Mash your potatoes and don't forget to season it as well. I use garlic powder, salt, and pepper. I also use a bit of milk to make it creamier, so don't judge me. Then keep mashing and stirring until you get your delicious mashed potatoes. Now you got yourself a nice feast for you and your family.
Well, I'm thankful for you guys watching this video, and I'm also thankful that no one has stolen our food yet. So, I wonder who that could be. I forgot. I don't even have any friends and everything, but I wonder who rang my doorbell.
But seriously, grab yourself a nice piece of chicken, a good scoop of mashed potatoes, and a good scoop of your roasted carrots, and dig in. Now, the chicken was pretty juicy and tasted pretty good, but the potatoes, I will admit, was a bit undercooked, but it still tasted pretty good. And the carrots were good as well. It had a hint of sweetness, which was nice, but in the end of the day, this can be a normal meal for you, and it's not so hard at all to make. So this can be a good start to cooking.
Anyways, thank you for watching, and make sure to stay in with The Range, and also enjoy your Thanksgiving. Now, can you guys leave me alone? It's kind of rude to see me eat and all.